Good Monday afternoon, you all. It is Monday, March 9th, 2026. It is a beautiful day today. It was 55 degrees out. Me and my neighbor Maria went for a walk, and then we talked for a little bit. I got her a inflatable thing to put the things for the party. I said, well, I thought of you guys when I was getting them. So at Blaine's graduation party, It'd be nice to put all, the stuff in. But yeah. So we went for a walk, but I'm going to go again. Because I feel like I need to. My legs hurt really bad. But it was a fun walk, It's nice having company. Usually I'm back here by myself. It's supposed to be icky weather now, so I don't think we'll be walking anymore. But yeah, so. Yeah. We're supposed to get snow. We have a winter storm watch again. I mean, these were huge banks over here, and they're down to nothing. Oh, yeah. One day we'll have nice weather. But I got all my cleaning done. I showered. I got laundry done. It's drying. I am going to yeah. But, I showed her the shed. So it's gonna be nice once it's done. I didn't tell her everything I was doing. It's supposed to be a surprise. But so with that being said, I think I'm gonna log off here and we'll chat with you all a little later. Or maybe tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. So have a good night, y'all. Good Friday afternoon or evening, y'all. It's Friday, March 13th, 2025. I am very sick. Very sick. I think I'm gonna die. I had gotten this Nissen fundoplication, whatever it is, surgery. And you're not supposed to throw up. I got it a couple years ago, and you're not supposed to throw up. Well, today I threw up. Luckily, I was in the shower when it happened, but it was the worst thing in my life. So now I'm all anxious because I'm afraid something's going to happen. I'm in no pain no more. Just probably all the throwing up I did. I hurt. I hope it didn't damage anything. I might have to go to the walk-in tomorrow. I still feel a little nauseous, but I'm not feeling good at all. I think it's my gallbladder that's shot. I have not felt this sick in a long time. This is worse than any other episode I've ever had. So I don't know. The nausea just won't go away. It's not good. I took some Pepto, so I'm hoping that helps. And then I think I'm going to go in tomorrow. Yeah, it's not good. You're not supposed to throw up anymore. It's just the one-way valve. So that means something is wrong. Oh, wow. So I'm just going to try to stay comfortable until tomorrow. And we'll go from there. I'll check in if anything changes. Good Saturday afternoon, y'all. It is Saturday, March 14th, 2026. I'm so weak. I'm so tired. I'm so weak. I'm finally eating some oranges. Hopefully they stay down. I'm worried. But I'm so hungry. I'm not even hungry. I'm so weak. I just need to get something in me. Because yeah. So I think I got hit with the flu, actually. I don't think it's my gallbladder at all. I have a headache. I'm just really tired. Oh. I will not be doing much at all today. We have a blizzard coming. They said the horriblest storm of the century. I thought the Christmas one was bad. 24 plus inches of snow. 3 feet they're talking about. Where we're going to put it, I don't know. I'm so weak I can't even lift a shovel. So I'm kind of scared. I'm just tired. I can barely hold this camera. I ate all those oranges. Now I'm going to probably get sick. But I got to eat something. I'm going to drink some water here. I got a new water refill for my Circle bottle. I did a Walmart order. I ordered some Gatorade or Powerade, and then some soup, and then some and some body armors. Just trying to get my electrolytes back in me. I'm so nervous for this storm. I had to put yours down. I can't even hold the phone up. But that water tastes so good. I'm nervous. Now I'm gonna get sick again. They're talking 70-mile-per-hour winds. It's a beautiful sunny day now, but it's about to change. I think I'm gonna take a bath tonight. Maybe we'll see how I feel. I might not get out. I gotta wash the I gotta wash the shower curtain. I power puked in the shower yesterday. That was the first time, and that was the worst time. Cause see, I got that Nissen fundoplication and hernia repair surgery done. And technically, it's only a one-way. Like, you're not supposed to throw up. So for some reason, my wrap either failed or it loosened. But I have no pain, so I don't understand. So that scared me last night because I'm not supposed to throw up. Oh well. I'm still here, so I didn't sleep much last night. I went to bed feeling horrible and nauseous. And then I just felt nauseous throughout the night. And then it kind of went away. I was going to take some anti-nausea meds. I didn't either, did I? No. But I have them in case. But it's not good. You want to get whatever it is out of you. I ate pizza before I got sick. So I think between that, my gallbladder, and the flu, it was not a good idea. So, I moved the computer. So, that's what happened there. Oh, my Walmart order's delayed. Imagine that. They better get their shit together because I need it today. It'll arrive within 20. They said it'll arrive within 20 minutes, 45 minutes. Like I said, I figured I'd order today before the storm comes. As there ain't gonna be nobody out for the next 2 to 3 days. And I'm not moving anywhere. I'll just brace the storm, and I have to charge things. I should have ordered batteries for my flashlight. That's okay. And if I have to, I can shower out in the sauna because that's a propane water tank. Because the one in the house is electric and it won't work, so. It's so bad. I gotta do laundry, so I do have to get up and do something. So I'm probably gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna go and lay down again. But I will chat with y'all later.
The following provides critical winter weather information for the following counties in Michigan: Baraga and Marquette. Blizzard warning in effect from 5 a.m. Sunday to 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 2 and 3 feet. Locally higher amounts up to 4 feet possible. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Strongest near Lake Superior. Where? Baraga and Marquette counties. When? From 5 a.m. Sunday to 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts. Travel will be treacherous and potentially life-threatening. Widespread blowing snow and heavy snowfall rates will significantly reduce visibility. Strong winds could cause tree damage and result in power outages. Additional details. Heavy snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour are expected much of the day Sunday. Strongest winds late Sunday afternoon into Monday.
Good Saturday, well, Sunday morning now. It's after midnight already. I just went and closed up the shed for the night and checked on it. It's very eerie outside. You can definitely tell a storm is coming. I'm very anxious, so I'm having a hard time just resting. I don't feel good. I'm very tired. Very icky feeling still. But I did manage to eat today. I did order some McDonald's chicken strips and fries. So I'm craving salt really bad. Probably because I lost all of it. I charged my power bank here. I can do multiple things in this. So it's nice to have. It lasts a long time too, which is nice. I also forgot to show you guys, I got a new air freshener in here. It smells so good. But they're Miss Myers. I didn't know they made air diffuser kits. So that's what I have in here, and it smells so good. Just kind of charging my electronics up. This bedroom is trashed. This whole house is trashed, but I'll deal with it when I do. I did some laundry today because I had to do laundry. I had to wash my shower curtain because it was a wreck from when I threw up. And just doing that little bit tired me out. I'm so tired. I'm hoping I sleep tonight now. But we'll see what happens. My whole just body hurts so bad. But yeah, I figured I would check back in with you. It's gonna be a bad night, I can tell. You can just feel it. Oh, I had to unplug my computer. But, so I have my iPad charging right now. And I got a Sprite for McDonald's because I'm so thirsty. But yeah, so with that being said, I think I'm gonna get myself into bed here. I think we're pacing the floor. Try to get some sleep. Once that storm blows in, it's gonna be very loud. They said this is gonna be the blizzard of the century. They said we haven't seen a blizzard this bad in 40 years. My lifetime, we've never had anything like this. So they're talking 70-mile-per-hour winds. So we may not have power. That's why I said I have my power bank charging. Hopefully I'm able to upload the vlog tomorrow. I don't know what's gonna happen. But we'll see, I suppose. So I'm just gonna kind of ride out the storm for the next 4 days. Well, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. They said that snow removal is going to be very difficult, which is going to take longer. So I don't anticipate going back to work till maybe Wednesday or Thursday. It's going to be so bad. My anxiety is really high because of it. But what can you do? Just going to keep the curtains closed and try to keep the house as warm as I can. If we lose power, we lose power. I'm still not feeling good, so I'm probably going to sleep through most of it. I'm going to try to keep up with the porch, but it's going to be damn near impossible at 2 to 3 inches of snow per hour. Oh well, we'll figure it out. So with that being said, I'm going to head to bed here, and I will chat with y'all in the morning. Good night. Good Sunday morning, y'all. It is Sunday, March 15th, 2026. It is a blizzard today. Pure blizzard. I mean, you can't even see anything out there, as I shown in the beginning of this. Ugh, it's horrible. So I'm going to do some spring cleaning, believe it or not. I'm going to do what I can, feeling the way I am. I'm going to just try my best. I'm going to do my bedroom today. I'm just going to clean it. Move everything out, vacuum, mop, dust, clean. It needs it. And what more perfect time than today to do so? I need to get up and move a little bit. But I have no energy. I'm still very weak, very tired. Just still don't feel great. I'm not nauseous anymore, thank God. My stomach hurts just because, I mean, I did dry heave for a good 24 hours. Well, I puked and dry heaved for a good 24 hours straight. So I guess what you expect. That was a horrible time for me. I hope I don't ever experience that again. That was terrible. Absolutely horrible. But it is what it is. So hopefully, I thought the wind was bad. Now it's supposed to get 10 times worse tonight. They said 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. They said the worst of the storm is going to be tonight into tomorrow. I'm like, oh my Lord. But we'll just brace it. Thank God we lost a lot of snow though during that thaw. Because otherwise it just would have been a mess. I don't even think our neighbors made it home. I don't think so. Oh, they must have. Oh yeah, they're home, I think. Yeah, they're home. They must have just got home. But let me show you the remodeling so far back here. So this is what it looks like so far back here. This wall is finished. I mean, the outside of it is. And then there'll be insulation and then stuff to go over it. The wall is going to end right there where you see that piece up there. It's going to go right down. The door is going to be there. Then the wall there. That window is going to be right there. And this wall kind of look the same as that one behind me. This wall will be gone. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like back here. And the tarps are just there to block the weather from coming in. This floor will be all finished. Hopefully more progress gets done back there, but I don't know. We'll see. So with that being said, I'm gonna log off, make my way back in, and start cleaning my bedroom. So I'll talk to you later. Hi all, welcome to the vlog. So school is canceled for tomorrow. Just got the word. We're under a local state emergency. My alarm just went off. That the roads are impossible to drive on. Like, there's no way you're driving on anything. You can't even see up the street. I mean, that's about all you can see. Not much. It is really severe out there. So I'm freaking out horribly. I'm gonna go and try to shovel. I did, however, clean this bedroom. It's all clean. It distracted me. But it's a disaster. The power has kind of flickered a little bit. But nothing's happened yet. My flashlight isn't working, kinda. I have more batteries out in the shed, luckily. So. It is so bad out there. Oh my lord. I'm freaking out right now. I know I live up here and I should be used to this, but I'm not. I'm trying to turn off my fireplace here. I'm not crumbling in fear. Yet. Ay, ay, ay. But yeah, so it's really bad.
Further to the south, it's all about the severe threat for this Sunday evening and Sunday night, especially 2 pockets of West Michigan.
It's really bad out there.
All right, Pop faced with this danger shot. Like we see this over and over.
There's a flood warning.
The fairway at 4.
There is some flood warning. There is damage to property. Just look. Hi all, welcome to the vlog here. So this weather is horrid right now. It's gotten really bad. I don't even know what to do. I'm trying to go out and keep up with it, but it's just not working. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'll see. And I'm gonna upload it. And we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go out and try to clear some of this mess out, and then I will check in with you all later.